Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have my current 10-step skincare routine. So let's begin. First step is cleansing oil. So I've been using the Medicube cleansing oil for years, but I don't know why it's discontinued now. I couldn't find it anywhere, so I switched back to Beautifymeeh, and I forgot how much I used to love Beautifymeeh cleansing oils. So I bought my two favorite ones from there. This is the Sublime one, and this is the Pore Finest one, and they both work great on removing all your waterproof makeup, my Kiss Me mascaras. Love how these remove all my eye makeup and it doesn't leave like a oily residue after. Next step is cleanser. So I usually double rinse whenever I have a full face of makeup. So I use the cleansing oil whenever I'm trying to remove makeup. But on days that I'm not wearing makeup, I just go straight to my second step. These are my current favorite face wash. I've been using this for years, the Medicube Red Foam Cleanser. And then I use this Philosophy Exfoliating Daily Facial Wash about once a week to very gently exfoliate my skin. It really helps control my mild acne. So if you guys have acne, you guys should definitely try this out. And also the amount of salicylic acid in here is very, very low compared to the other products, like drugstore products. So it's very gentle and doesn't irritate my skin or dry out my skin. This exfoliating face wash is great for those that have sensitive skin. And then texture, like the bead is not too big. It's kind of very fine like sand. So it doesn't really irritate my skin. So this helps scrub away the impurities and buildup of dead skin. Next is toner, and I'm actually using this vitalizing water. It's kind of like toner as my third step, and this has been my favorite. I've been using this since April. This is from Time. It is a Korean brand. It's for pH balancing and moisturizing. So you can use a cotton pad. I like to just pour some on the palms of my hand and then just dab it onto my face. I like to apply this as soon as I get out of the shower before my skin starts to feel dry. Love how this is very gentle. It's non-alcoholic. There's no fragrance. So it literally looks and feels like water, but it's very moisturizing. I like to carry some of this in a travel size container, and whenever I'm out somewhere and my face feels dry, I just spray this on my face. I got this from Daiso in Korea. Next is moisturizing. So this has also been one of my favorite for months. This is the 345 cream. You guys, I love this product. Yeonu actually uses this as well. I stocked up on this and bought 5. They do have it on Amazon, but of course it's a little bit more expensive on Amazon compared to Korea. This cream is great for all skin types, including acne prone and dry skin. There's actually a lot of ingredients in here that helps with blemish, like niacinamide. There's flower extracts in here, and I believe there's also hyaluronic acid, ceramide, and centella, all of the above. I feel like niacinamide works the best on my skin right now. Before it used to be hyaluronic acid, but now any product that has niacinamide in it, I notice a huge difference on my skin. It starts glowing. Next is the serum or ampule. My current favorite, it's also from Time. This is actually a whitening ampule. It helps with glow, brightening, and whitening. It also helps with moisturizing as well. So I use this at night. I tried a lot of Time products and a lot of them don't have any fragrance, but this one does have a fragrance and it smells so nice, which I love because it's refreshing whenever I'm about to go to bed. I'm smelling nice. After my ampule, I do apply a cream, a thicker cream. This is also from Time. It's the Oak Tree Sap Deep Moist Cream. This is a little thicker and it really, really hydrates my skin, goes deep into my skin, and my face feels so nice the next day. This is fragrance free. This is also good for those that have dry, sensitive skin. Some of the main ingredient is ceramide and shea butter in here. It's a little thicker, so I like to apply this on the last step of my skincare routine. Before, I used to apply this first and then this, but then I noticed that it works better when I switch this part. And for your skincare routine, I heard you should in order from light texture to thicker at the end. Next is eye cream. So I'm turning 40 next year. And I do notice one wrinkle that I'm starting to get under my eye on this one. So I've been applying a lot of eye cream. This is from Medicube. This is also my favorite. It's a deep reviving peptide eye cream. I actually like to stick this in the refrigerator and apply it cold. Super hydrating. You just need a little amount to dab on your under eye. You can always start early to prevent wrinkles. You can even start using eye cream as early as your 20s. So 1 to 2 times a week, I do use this retin-a cream that I got from my dermatologist. I might ask my doctor, skin doctor, for a weaker one. I think they have a 0.0251 because I feel like this is a little too strong. So sometimes it dries out my skin, I notice. So on that week, I apply it once a week. But this has really, really helped my acne. I don't know why, but at the beginning of this year, I was breaking out so much. Like I had cystic acne everywhere, especially the sides of my face. So after using this for about 2 months consistently, 2 times a week, all my cystic acne went away and all my like acne flare-ups like kind of calmed down. Whenever you use this, you have to make sure to always moisturize your face because it does dry your skin. So I apply layers and layers of moisturizer, and you have to also make sure to apply sunscreen whenever you go outside because while you're on this, like your skin gets very sensitive. So especially from the sun. So moisturize and sunscreen whenever you use this product. This also has a lot of other skincare and anti-aging benefits. You can do your research and talk to your dermatologist if it's a fit for you. Of course, I can't leave out the face mask. So I did stock up on a lot of face masks when I was in Korea last month. So especially when I'm traveling, I make sure to always carry some with me. I stick it in the refrigerator, apply cold, apply for like 5 minutes or so. So I try to use a face mask at night about 3 times a week. On days when I have to go somewhere, I use a face mask about 30 minutes before I apply my makeup. My makeup looks so good that day, like it doesn't have dry patches and lasts all day. Last step, sunscreen. I feel like this is the most important step of my 10-step skincare routine. Of course, sunscreen, you have to always apply it, whether you're outside or inside, because even indoors, you get UV from like the windows. So make sure you apply it. This is my favorite, still, the Darva. So I don't use this just on my face. I actually apply it on my neck and my hands as well. It has 50 SPF. I've tried a lot of sunscreen, and this is like far most my favorite. And whenever I ask my friends around, they're like, yes, my favorite is still the Darva as well. So that was my current 10-step skincare routine. If you guys recently discovered any like really good skincare products, let me know down in the comments. So I do have 2 more Korea vlogs left to upload. I know I've been trying to upload a lot of Korean vlogs lately, but I'm almost done. The next 2 episodes are going to be really fun. We visited our favorite place, which is Yeosu and also Andong. Those 2 vlogs are going to be coming up very soon. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll talk to you guys on my next video. Bye guys!